Imagine a serene afternoon turning into a scene of chaos within minutes. On May 22, 2011, the city of Joplin, Missouri faced one of the deadliest tornadoes in U.S. history. This EF5 tornado, with winds exceeding 200 miles per hour, carved a path nearly a mile wide and 6 miles long, obliterating everything in its wake. Over 7,000 homes were destroyed, and 161 lives were tragically lost. The aftermath was a testament to the sheer power of nature and the resilience of the human spirit. As emergency responders and volunteers poured in, stories of survival and heroism emerged, highlighting the community's strength and determination to rebuild from the rubble.